We are doing the integral from 0 to 3 of this function, 1 plus 6w to the second power minus 10w to the fourth power dw. Just double check you have the right equation, because if you have the wrong equation, you start working through it, that'll be an issue. So the derivative of w would be 1. When you add 1 to your exponent, 2 becomes 3, and then you divide by your new exponent. 6 divided by 3 gives me 2. Same thing with adding 1 to the exponent, and then 10 divided by 5 gives me 2. And you can double check that this is right, because the derivative of what's in blue needs to be the original problem from 0 to 3. So make sure you plug in your upper bound to all of those values. So that would be 3 plus, 3 cubed is 27 times 2 would give me 54 minus w to the fifth power. 81 would be 3 to the fourth would be that times another 3 would be 243. Oh, and then I got to double that. Oh, yikes. 6, 8, 4. Okay. But I also encourage people, even though this is sort of obvious that when you plug in your lower bound, you get a bunch of zeros. Later on, we're going to come across a situation where when you plug in zeros like e to the 0 power and things like that, you might actually get values. So I never tell my students to ignore the 0. But when you start adding 3 plus 54 minus 486, you should get a correct answer of negative 429. And that is the correct answer.